Finding the courage to change. Dashed hopes, broken dreams. Sometimes when you're in a dark place, you think you've been buried, but you've actually been planted. That's a quote from Christine Caine. We all experience the pain of dashed hopes and broken dreams. Disappointment is simply part of life. But when I have been in a really dark place, the last thing I wanted to hear was that this disappointment was for the best. This trite reassurance felt so hollow. It felt like a denial of the fact that I was in pain. But after decades of living, I realized that it's for the best was almost always true. Although I could never see it while in that dark place, each disappointment was a setup. It was a necessary loss. I had to give something up in order to have room for something better. I've learned to see loss and disappointment as both necessary and full of potential. To start a new essay, I have to start with a blank page. To live this day fully, I have to let go of the past. If a loss is because of my mistake, that's okay. Mistakes are how I learn. Sometimes what I think I want is the last thing I need in my life. At those times, my higher power has helped me to dodge a bullet. Only in hindsight can I see that other path led to disaster. Today I can relax, knowing that things are always working out for me. I'm not buried, I've been planted. Change is coming. Growth has begun. I can't wait to see what happens next.